Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to deposit Bitcoin in Binance. It's very easy. First you can just open your Binance apps and then make sure you have signed in, and after that you can go to your asset in the bottom right corner here, and then as you can see there is advanced. You can click it and then you can choose on-chain deposit because I assume you want to transfer your Bitcoin from other wallet, so you can choose on-chain deposit here, and then you can search Bitcoin BTC and click BTC. Then you have to choose the network here, and you have to make sure you choose the right network. So you have to choose the same network when you send it later. So let's say I want to choose BNB Smart Chain here, and then this is the wallet. You can click copy it, and then after that you can paste it on your other wallet and choose the BNB Smart Chain network. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.